Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Vashish Kapoor and today we are going to talk about how you can rank your articles on Google's first page of SERP for your target keywords. Today I'll be using Server SEO Content Editor to write an SEO optimized content piece and explore the tips and tricks that you can use to improve further. Before that, let's take a look at the pricing of Server SEO. Surfer SEO is a Swiss Army knife for your on-page SEO operations, from keyword research to content writing and SEO audit. Everything is there that you need to rank better. The pricing plans starts from $59 a month, where you can analyze SERP results of 15 queries, or let's say keywords, in a day. And also, you can make a fully optimized SEO content editor for 25 queries in a month. So this is where you need to see that SERP analyzer, you get 15 queries in a day every day, and talking about content editor, you get 25 queries in a month. And another thing that you go ahead with is keyword research, that you can do unlimited keyword research with any of the plan. You get either basic plan, pro plan, or maybe the business plan. So you can also start a 7 days trial for just $1, and I have added the link to grab this trial offer in the description of this video. Go ahead, grab your $1 7 days trial and watch this video further to know about how you can optimize your content with the SEO content editor of Surfer SEO. Okay, let's go ahead and see how content editor works in Surfer SEO. I am now logged into my Surfer SEO dashboard, and on the top of my dashboard I am clicking on this content editor from the top menu. In my content editor dashboard, there is an input box where I can add my keyword. When I will add my keyword here, I will be charged one content editor credit, as it says here. And as you remember, we had 25 content editor credits in a month on the $59 per month plan. The tool then will create a content editor page with SEO guidelines and suggestions after I enter my keyword here. So before you start writing or editing content, you need to have a target keyword. So here, type in your target keywords. I'm going to use keyword server monitoring tools. So once I hit create content editor, the tool will start analyzing the top 10 results. And after the analysis is complete, I will get the notification. Now I can click on this and it will open the content editor. So as you can see, it is processing the analysis, and once the analysis is done, I'll be able to click on this to open the SEO content editor. So here I got the notification and now I can click this. Cool. So here you can see our very own SEO content editor, where we can write content or copy from existing content and optimize it to reach the best SEO score. So for this video, I'm going to use my existing content on this keyword. I will analyze its SEO score, improve it to reach the best possible optimization. I will copy the title and the content from my article and paste in the content editor. Now, as you can see in the right sidebar, my existing content score is 61 out of 100. After that, it is guiding me visually on how many words should be there in my content, how many words are there in my content, what is the ideal number of headings based on the content that's ranking in the top 10 search results for the target keyword. Not just that, it also analyzes how many paragraphs and images I have used in my content, and if I need to add more or delete a few. To improve this content piece, what we need to do at the first hand is increase the number of words and make it like around 3000 words in this content piece because it is saying the minimum content limit should be 2700 words. So it's a lot, but that's what it requires you to rank in the top 10 results. So first head, I will be adding more content to this content piece. The next thing is talking about headings. There should be a minimum of 18 headings and I'm already having 12 headings in the content. So let's say I will write more about what is a server monitoring tool, and to this I will give head h2. Okay, and it increased to 13. Server monitoring tool analyzes the processes and performance of your web server, and so I have added some content and also added a few headings, a few list items in this content, and you can see my content score has increased from 61 to 66. Likewise, you can add more words, add more headings inside the content and improve your content score. There are more suggestions that you can add to your content and make it more optimized. To do this, scroll down in the right sidebar of this content editor and you will see this option which says terms, topics, and notes. So inside the terms tab, you can see there are a number of words that are used in your content and more words that are not used in your content also. So these are the terms that are derived from the top 10 search results, and the content on those results are ranking well. As you can see, this kind of words like which are in red, you need to add these words in your content to make it more relevant. So, for example, this keyword is used 6 to 13 times in the top 10 articles. I have already added it 10 times. So it says it's very well done and it's green. Sometimes I need to add more uh, frequencies of a particular term like server monitoring, and here it is showing it in orange. So once I add this word few more times, it will also become green. And there are some words that are not even mentioned once in the content, so we need to make sure we are adding these keywords few times or the number of times it is required in the content, and the content score will eventually improve. So as you can see, there's lot more words that I can include. So this is like a continuous process. You can't go ahead and now go ahead and start optimizing content and you will say you will add all these content terms in your content today or maybe in a day. It's not possible. You need to continue optimizing your content, edit it every day and paste it in your content, in your live content, and see how it goes, how it improves. So moving further, you can see inside the terms tab, there are three tabs called all headings and NLP. So not just the terms, it is also giving me suggestions on what headings I can include in my copy. So once I click on headings, it gives me a few more words that I can include in the H2 or H3 or even H4. So like these are the few terms that I can include and build headings out of it. For example, for this content piece, I would say top server monitoring tools, and inside the conclusion, if I write down best server monitoring software, so technically this word has been used in the headings and it is now green as well. So this is the way you can improve your content and add relevant terms in your content. Okay, now let's dig into some tips and tricks of making the best use of content editor inside Surfer SEO. So here you can see Coxa icon, and when you click this, you will see the top 10 results that are actually your organic competitors. You can see their content score, their authority score, and number of words they have used in their content. Getting further, you will see content structure where you can customize the way you want to optimize your content. For example, you want to add more content to your article and the maximum limit is given 3100 words, then you can add more to this limit and it will still give you a green score or improved score in the content editor. And you can also then remove or include more words that you want your content editor to include inside the suggestions. Then talking about the topics and questions, there's more topics or questions that can be there inside the content. And now you can click on this, and once you will click on let's go, you can see all these um, topics here. If you want to remove few, then you can remove it from the customizer. Moving next, if you want your clients to see your content and your content's SEO score live, you can share the link to this content editor piece with your clients. So once you click on share, you will see your private link that you can share with your clients. So now after editing the content and making sure you are done with this, you need to update the content in your website. To add your content in the website, you can either use copy paste option. You can just copy from here and paste in your WordPress content editor. And in case you have your custom built website or any other platform, you can download the HTML code of this content and send to your developer. To do this, you'll click on this hamburger icon and then here you can see download content as HTML. So when you will click this, you will be downloaded a HTML file and then you can send this over to your developer for updating in the website.